Kani ketika Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange Nissan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong.
Hadian lai tayo baka sorkar jila kalaya konting ban syemi gilat gilinti bania da ya gajing MG pat ba na gajing sapriang jong knyang jingpang coronavirus ni COVID-19 handai kalong pat ka ka bakendet ban tem ba weu doktor rang ba jong ka Bethany Hospital ulangan hau ni knyang jingpang coronavirus ula dekat ya palat silak ngot kimen sembrio ha keleng kiri jong ka perthai kumba kalong menta kani kandang dei kasien ka baning kong ka jila Meghalaya ban lap ba kani ka jingpang kalawan yo kejat ha ka khatlai terik banai yayong arajar arpau ha ka bei dei ba kani ka sarkar kala penjari da ka curfew ka ba sau prakanta ha baro ko nong ba Shillong ka ban sedang nedokan riu beje step jong ka khat sau terik banai yayong arajar arpau bat nakaliang jong sarkar kala batha ru ikipat ba kibalet sya sumar ha Bethany Hospital ha kini kiniat singi kin sngop ha ban pentep sikatnat ka koit ka khya da ka ba telefon ha u number 108 kanang ba ka sarkar kan dubla ban syemi gila jingeda ha ka por ka babiang
para nong song be jong ke jala Meghalaya jongi kam tam jong kari khasi jantia jongi na ko ban pentip chapi mentak met bang isngosi ban yatro akhmat jompi baladon ka kes mentak khendiat kenta ka ba kila test ba kalong positif kane ke jingpang jong ka COVID-19 kabalayo kem kensan ya weu doktor ba paunam jong ka jala Meghalaya jongi hangne hapo Bethany Hospital ngakwa ban kren na khamat jompi da ka basngau khia mansin bat da ka banga kerpat rit khamat jompi ba phimde ban don kono ke jing snau rit mansin na kaliang jogo sarkar kala persyang menta lalai tayo ban pentikna ba kanom don ka kes den rei menta kamit kalajia kan ka kes na kermes kem ublei trai kan ru undor rengkat lembat ni phimde ban long ban setting phimde ban don kan no ke jing snau den rei ngin tre sitong lau rengkat ka bor sarkar ha ka ba menta kamit nila sil nila khang ya porok ka hospital ka badon ha Bethany khnang ba kanum don kanunu ke jing spread ke jing sapriang uneu knyang jingpang kumtanga kerpar rit ya phi porok sngau bahaya sya bangi la syai ka sngi na do hunriu buji step ngakwa ban ong ya phi bangi kerpat ba phinmi shanu shabar jong ka yeng ka sem ka jong phi naman nakaliang jongi ka sarkar ngidang ya treshi tom mentak met la syai ka ski barok ski ban pentik na bonu knyang jingpang unnum sapriang keleng saudong jong ka jaj ben riu ku jengi bat keleng saudong jong ke jala Meghalaya sngau ba ki perlok be ki prasnong ki prathau bat kumju ru ki nong song snong jong ke jala Meghalaya kabang kerpat rit ya phina kaliang ka sarkar sngau ba ban duai kerpang ya uni doktor bayo ikan ke jingpang ha ka digamit baun yo ya ke jingkot ke jingkia bat kumju ru lesi ki bia jan ki bia kontak batu bahkan nomdon kono ka positive test la syai ka ba menta ka met ilapan kre ya ka ban test baru ban advice yaki bakin syong halaki jong ki jaka klaim ka jing ya mix lang banno ro doble try kanat kurku kurdo ya ka jala Meghalaya kurku kurdo ya ka yeng ka sem bat kam tam u doktor bayo i ka jingpang khnang ba un yo i ka jingkot ke jingkia kam kloi bat tup long kerpang ya ka jing dwai jongpi halaki jongki thliu yin khnang ba ublei un trei borba ba ka ne ka jingpang uneu khnang jingpang ka ne ka klam ka ba yat keleng sodong ka perthei kanam yo jaka banrum hapok ka jela ka jongi ka jela ka batipriu ka tiplei bat ka jela ka jongi ka batip ya ka bor jong unong pen im jongi nang te nasahit ne.
Dear friends, I would like to inform you that we have had an unfortunate situation where we have had a positive case of COVID-19 in our state of Meghalaya, in Shillong. And this situation has come in spite of all the measures that have been taken from our side. But at the same time, I would like to inform and assure the people of Shillong city as well as of Meghalaya state that the state government is fully prepared to tackle the situation. We have immediately imposed a complete curfew in the city of Shillong for the next 48 hours. Also, we request everybody to kindly cooperate and not to leave their homes for the next 48 hours. We have also sealed the institution that where the information has been found and the case has been found. And at the same time, in this institution, which is Bethany Hospital, all the people who have visited Bethany Hospital from the 22nd of March and after that, I would sincerely urge all the citizens to kindly inform us by calling at 108 number. I repeat, call at 108 number if you have visited Bethany Hospital in the last 20 days, which is after the 22nd of March. And this will go a long way in helping us to ensure that all the contact tracing can be done. And all the people who have visited, I would urge you to kindly stay at home and stay quarantined and inform us at the earliest. We have sealed Bethany Hospital and we have ensured that we would not allow any more patients to come in or people to leave from there. And the situation is something that requires cooperation from everyone. The decision that has been made by the cabinet today, we will be reviewing all those decisions tomorrow morning at the cabinet meeting again, an emergent cabinet meeting, keeping in mind and light all the situation that has taken place. But most importantly, I would urge and I would request all of you to stay at home. And at the same time, I would like to assure you that there is no need to panic. The government of Meghalaya is fully prepared to tackle the situation. We need your cooperation to stay at home so that we can continue to do our work and ensure that we can contain the situation.